Hello and welcome to the SmartPlot tutorial. In this video, we explain viewing and ordering blocks in the dashboard view. Once you have set up your pipeline in the pipeline view, you can always have a quick view of all the blocks that are involved in the view dashboard view. One of the initial quirks of this view dashboard view is that your first filter standard that has been imported into your pipeline will always be shown in the left, and that is done for the sake of quick analysis. So in this case, if I wanted to add one more field location, which is the ARH1 field location, I click on Save and Apply, and I can immediately see those changes in the dashboard itself in the scatter plot. Now, as you can see, there is a certain order with which all of these blocks are put within the plot, and that is based on its branch order. So branch ordering is based on how a tree branches out. So the first branch is always where the local file import block is, and all of the branches that branch out of it are each separate branch. As you can see, in this case, this is branch number 1, this will be branch number 2, this will be branch number 3, and branch number 4. These ordering numbers are given based on which block you had inserted first. So if show table was inserted first, this would be branch 2, and so on. Now, suppose since this is branch number 2, if you go back to the dashboard, all the blocks in branch number 2 will be shown first, followed by all of the blocks in branch number 3, followed by all of the blocks in branch number 4. So if we go back to the dashboard view, as you can see, the branch number 2 blocks are shown first, followed by the branch number 3 blocks, followed by branch number 4. Now this can be changed. Suppose there is more priority to a certain branch. For example, I prefer to see this branch immediately after I go to the dashboard view. So you can push this to branch number 2, and then when we go back to the view dashboard view, the local file import will be shown first, followed by these 3 blocks, as seen over here. Now, further changes that can be made in the pipeline to change the way you see your dashboard is to not view certain blocks in the dashboard view. So for example, I already know which file I'm importing. I do not want to see this every time I go to the dashboard. I deselect show in dashboard, and same for the breakout. I do not want to see this in the dashboard. So this way, you can only keep important blocks for visualization and analysis in the dashboard directly. So with all these changes made, if I make one more change and I would like to see the scatter plot first, as you can see, when you go to the dashboard view, the scatter plot comes in first, followed by the bar plot, which is from the second branch, since all of the other blocks from the second branch were deselected from being viewed, and the third branch. That is a quick overview of viewing and ordering blocks in the view dashboard mode.